There it is, guys. It's the cheapest chainsaw on Amazon. Cheapest 20-inch bar chainsaw on Amazon. It is a Garwinner and comes disassembled. Some assembly required. You gotta put the chain and the bar on, and then got the tools here. Comes with this cool little gas can that has the mixture ratios already on the side. It's supposed to be 25 to 1. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm gonna just add that in. Okay. Oh no, it's gonna blow. So there we go. Now our gas and oil is mixed. We'll go ahead and start assembling this thing. Get it put together and we'll do a little test. See how she does. Hey, look at that. There we go. Get that on there, ready to go. All right. Now I'll take this part, mount the bar on, and fire it up. Comes with an extensive toolkit. So there's my, go right there. The right way? I guess I should probably read the instructions, huh? Okay. There's the how to start the chainsaw. Okay, so we're going to take, and this here's the bumper spike. We're going to put this on right there. That's where it goes. And then we put the bar on. Tie it all together and then fire it up. So pop these screws in. Freaking roosters. Go ahead and add some gas. Go ahead and add a bar oil. Right down. Alright, time to add some gas. Here we go. Give it a good shake. Use a funnel. Where's the fun in that? There's quite a bit of that. bar oil going. All right, that's done. Okay, guys. The Garwinner 5820G. 5820G. 20-inch bar. 58 cc's. $100. Amazon. Cheapest one on Amazon right now. So we're gonna fire it up and give it a shot. We've got fuel in here. We've got our bar oil in here. We're gonna give it a try. See how the chain is. It's pretty tight. I may have to loosen that up, but we will see. See if the ring engages like it should. Yeah. Yep. We're good. Here we go.
Where are you setting it up in my area?
You just be quiet.
You just be quiet.
I'll do what I want.
Obviously.
Okay, so there's the start. I'm gonna see a prime. See a choke. So let's see. I think I put the chain hump backwards. I didn't even know that was a wait. I didn't even know that was a possibility. But yeah, teeth are going the wrong way right now. I thought they only went on one way. Well, you learn something new.
Operator errors.
This is what happens when you just go off grid and learn how to do it all, winging it yourself as you go. Well, I'm gonna take and turn the blade around the way it's supposed to be, and we'll be right back. All right. Now that we got the blade on the right way, let's try this again. Fire it up. All right, guys, there it is. Haha, the Garwinner 5820G. This is the 20-inch, 58. It's a 20-inch, 58 cc, and it was like, I want to say it was like $99 on Amazon. I'll leave a link somewhere like around here, but it's a cheapie. And we'll see if it does a good job. It only had a few reviews, so let's see what happens. Got him working. There he is. He's out there chopping up a tree. Well, sawing up a tree. This Garwinner's working pretty good. Check it out. Watch this. And she's gone. Nothing left. A couple stumps here there we'll grab. That Garwinner worked out pretty good. I'm liking it. We have a lot of other plans for using that saw, what we're going to use it for. This is not a paid advertisement. We actually paid for this ourselves. It went for the cheapest one on Amazon I could find that was a 20-inch bar, and that could actually go to be a bigger bar. I've got some big plans for this thing. It's going to be used exclusively on a certain project. We'll see how it handles. Make sure you subscribe so you can see that when it happens. And please hit the thumbs up for us. Leave us a comment. What do you guys think? Would you purchase this? What do you guys have? Are you a Husky person? Still? Echo? And there's so many others. There's so many brands out there. Are you guys loyalists to a specific style of chainsaw? A specific brand of chainsaw? Not me. I go for the cheapest or the least expensive. Let's put it that way. Anyway, have a good one. Get out there and start living your dreams, guys. It's time to split this stuff up. Micah, hey, get over here.